guys, it's Han. So today's video is going to be a Missguided try on haul, which I'm super excited about, but I've actually tried to kind of do this one a little bit differently and actually form outfits out of all of the pieces that I picked out, and outfits that would be really suitable for like holiday or just summertime in general. I'm pretty sure, fingers crossed, okay, that I'm either going to maybe Ibiza or Tenerife, just somewhere sunny with a beach at some point in the next few days. So I've basically picked out a bunch of outfits that I want to take with me, stuff that's suitable for daytime and then also evening, like more dressier stuff as well. This video is in collaboration with Missguided. As you guys know, I do work with them on quite a regular basis, which makes me very happy and excited and proud because you guys know I love Missguided and I have for the longest time. So I do actually have a discount code for you guys today. It is Hannah25. If you want to use it on the Missguided website, it will give you 25% off, which includes everything except sale and beauty. So I'm going to put all the information down below, and I will be linking all of the products in the description bar as well if you want to pick anything up for yourself. But without further ado, boys and girls, I'm going to get cracking. I'm going to get straight in. Like I said, I've tried to pick stuff that's holiday appropriate, but also stuff that you could wear in the UK if you wanted to as well, because let's be honest, we don't always have the biggest amounts of sunshine, even though it is really sunny outside today, so maybe don't want to jinx that. Thank you. First thing I picked out was an airport outfit, which is probably going to sound so extra, but I don't know if anyone else does this. I always like to know, and I always like to plan ahead what I'm wearing at the airport, because then it means I'm not going to pack it. I make sure it's freshly washed. I make sure it's like comfy but still kind of cute in case I want to get a cute photo, you know. So I basically picked out a really comfy and casual outfit that I think still looks really cute and put together. And again, I feel like this would look really nice at home, like for a day of shopping or whatever it may be. So the top part is just this little white top here, obviously from Missguided. So this is just a little white, it's almost like a scuba material, and it's basically a little corset top. So it's a crop top, as you can see, and it's got kind of like a ruffly like ruche detail across the chest, which I thought was really cute. And it's got quite thick straps, which I really love, because obviously you can put a bra on underneath if you want to, or you can just wear it by itself. And the actual length is really nice, like it's cropped but it's not super cropped, so I feel like it sits in a really nice place on like your chest and your torso, if you know what I'm trying to say. And then I also picked up a pair of black flares to go with, because these looked so comfy but also really cute on the model on the website, and you guys know I'm a sucker when something looks cute on the model. I'm like, say no more, put it in my basket, thank you so much. So these are just plain black, and they're a really nice soft jersey material. Obviously you want to be comfy if you're going on a flight or if you're traveling or whatever, and these are just really nice and high-waisted as well, which I love. And obviously they flare down at the bottom. Really simple, but I feel like they look really cute together. And then my favorite part of this outfit is the jacket. So this is the jacket that I picked out. It's basically just a nude cropped, I don't really know what you would call this material, but it's like a really soft ribbed material, as you can see, and then it's got little small tortoise buttons going all the way down, which I thought was super cute. Obviously these, like by itself, like the top and the flares, are kind of a little bit more casual and a little bit more basic, and then I feel like the jacket kind of really adds something to it, and it just looked really nice with a pair of white trainers and like some gold jewelry. But yeah, it doesn't have to be for the airport, it could be for whatever you want to wear it for, like a day shopping, lunch, like whatever you want to do. So that is the first outfit. Also, this top is actually Missguided as well, in case you're wondering. Like, I'm obsessed with this little top. How cute is it? Just like a little cropped milkmaid like hook and eye. What was that? I don't know. Okay, next up we have a kind of like casual daytime outfit. So this is basically this little white top, which as you can see, it's basically like a little bardo top, and then it's got kind of cup details, which I really love, and also that similar like ruched, like ruffle detail to what the last top had. But this one is a little bit more of, again, like what would you call this material? Oh my gosh, I'm not entirely sure, but it feels a little bit more formal and a little bit more dressy than the previous top. And I actually really love the fit of this. I love the fact that the sleeves are kind of like, would you call them like bell sleeves? No. Oh my gosh, where's all my terminology today? Like I actually don't know what I'm talking about. They're quite like baggy sleeves, as you can see, and then they've got a little elasticated bit at the bottom, so they just look really nice and flowy on your arms. And the length again is really nice. It's kind of a little bit more of a longer length top. And then I basically just paired it with some little blue denim shorts, because I feel like these are an essential in summer. They just pair so well with everything. You could literally wear this with like the previous white top as well and like mix and match it. And I really like the colour of these. I'm really into like light wash denim at the minute. I don't really like anything too dark, so I feel like these look really cute on. And I did get these in a 10 because I'm usually a little bit bigger on the bottom, but I feel like I could probably do with an 8 anyway. Like they're quite big fitted, just in case you're wondering. Okay, and then next up again we have a more of a casual outfit. So this is actually kind of like a two-piece, I would say. It's kind of like a little cord. So the top bit is just a little shirt, and the thing that I really loved about this is the fabric. It's kind of like really soft cargo-y fabric to some degree. Like it's not cotton, it feels a little bit more like sturdier and dressier than cotton, but it's not like super structured either. It's just really nice on the skin, and I'm obsessed with this shade of nude. Again, I just think it's a really nice like colour to wear in the summer. So this is kind of like a v-neck shirt, and then it's got little tortoise buttons, which I think are so cute. I feel like they really add something to like what is otherwise a plain shirt, because they've just got little bits of detail on. And then I basically got the trousers to go with. So these are actually elasticated, and again, the thing that I love about this is that you could wear the trousers with any top, I feel like. So they're basically just little elasticated trousers, as you can see, and then they go down into like a straight leg, and they've got little cuffs at the bottom which look really, really pretty on. They are a little bit cropped, but personally I kind of like trousers that are a little bit cropped in the summertime because they just feel a little bit more airy, I guess. But yeah, I just took the shirt into these because they're elasticated. They're really, really comfy as well. Perfect for daytime. Again, trainers, heels, whatever you want to pair them with. Just like a little cute cord, you know. And I feel like with cords you never have to think because they just mix and match, so you can just throw it all on and you know it's going to look cute. Okay, and then next up, this is kind of like partially dressy but partially could also be really casual if you just paired it with trainers. So the first part of this is basically shorts and a bodysuit, and this is all white. So this is the bodysuit part, which is probably my favorite part. I just think this is such a cute little top. So it's basically like a little ruched situation, as you can see, and again it's got this kind of like cup detail underneath, which I just think shapes really nicely. Like it kind of adds a little bit of something and a little bit of shape to the top and looks better on your body. And then it also has a little bow in the center as well, which I think is super cute. It's a really nice material. It's nice and thick, which I love. Again, it's kind of more of like a scuba material, I would say. It feels really, really comfortable, but also you know it's not going to be see-through even though it's white. And I love the little sleeves. They're just so cute. They're just like little ruched sleeves, so you can kind of wear them a little bit more on the shoulder, or obviously have it like as a bardo off the shoulder, which I think is really lovely. And then the shorts that I picked out, I have been on the hunt for the longest time for a pair of white tailored shorts because I have so many like white tops and white blazers that I always want to pair with white tailored shorts, and I don't know why it's taken me so long to find some, but I finally have some now. So that's what these are right here. They're just little white shorts, and they come with a belt as well, which I think is super cute. Obviously you can switch it out for a different belt if you wanted to add like a pop of colour or something a bit different, but these are really comfortable, really, really nice on. They fit lovely as well. I got these in a size 8 along with like the top as well. Okay, and then we've got two more outfits that are a little bit more dressy. So the first one I'm going to do is this little dress, because do you know what, I saw this on the website and I was like, that is so not me, but in the best way possible. Like I feel like I really just want to try and step a little bit more out of my comfort zone at the minute with certain pieces. So this is basically like a lime green A-line shaped dress. It comes with a really chunky belt, which I absolutely love because it really kind of pulls you in on the waist and it makes the A-line part kind of go out a little bit more. So I feel like proportions, like it just makes you look really snatched and really like, you know, did that make sense? No, but still. A collar, which I really love. Obviously it's sleeveless, which is really nice for the summertime. Like you're not going to get too hot in it. So easy to get on and off. It's got a couple of buttons to help do it up, but it's just really comfortable on. Like it's the sort of thing I would love to wear to a dinner because I know that I could eat loads and loads and loads and I'm not going to look bloated in this. Like it's just so flattering on your body. Again, quite a versatile piece, but just something a little bit different because it is, you know, a pop of colour rather than black, white, nude, which, let's be honest, is what I wear on a regular basis. So I just thought that was really cute, you know, and a little bit different. Okay, and then last but not least, I picked out a suit. Oh, in fact, I've got one more outfit. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'll do that in a second, actually, because that was a daytime one that I've forgotten about. The last of the dressier pieces, I wanted to pick out like a suit because I'm not being funny, like even when I go on holiday sometimes in the evenings it can get quite cold. Okay, so this is basically a pair of trousers and then also a blazer to go with, and it's in a really gorgeous like sage green colour, which I have to say this is one of like my favourite colours for the summer. I don't know why, I just think it looks really gorgeous on like tan skin. Like when I've got a fresh tan on, I just feel like it looks really cute. Trousers, oh my gosh, these trousers fit so beautifully. Like they're really, really high-waisted, which I absolutely love. Again, I got these in an 8, and to be honest, if you're in between sizes, like I could have maybe done with a 6, and I'm like usually an 8 to 10, so maybe size down a little bit in these if you're gonna pick them up. But they just fit so beautifully, and again, because they're like trousers, you could pair these with a little white bralette, you could pair them with a black bralette, like you could do so many different things with these. You don't have to just wear them with the blazer. The way that I styled this in the try on clip is the same way that they've styled the model on the website, which is basically like no top underneath and just the blazer on top, which, do you know what, I've seen so many people wear blazers out like that, and I always want to do it, but I never have the balls to do it. And I'm like, do you know what, there is time, it's gonna happen, and I'm gonna do it. I just need to get some like tape to actually stick it down. But I just thought it looked really cool, so it's literally, I just picked up the blazer to go with, and I just put that over the top, and then you could just see a little bit of, you know, a little bit of skin, but nothing like crazy, okay? Obviously, if you wanted to keep it nice and modest, then you could put a bralette underneath as well. The thing that I really love about the blazer is that it has black buttons on, so even though it's not necessarily a colour that you would pair with black initially, because it's got the black buttons, it would tie really nicely into like a little black bralette or whatever. Quite long lines, so I feel like this could really go nicely with like a pair of jeans as well. Like this is a great thing about suits or like trousers and blazers or whatever, because you can mix and match them so easily as well. Like you could literally wear this with like the denim shorts, for example, if you wanted to. Okay, and then very last but not least, I forgot about this outfit because I put it to the side over there because it was the first thing that I tried it on. But I picked up this little white kind of like cutout knitted top. As you can see, I kind of had this in mind to go over a bikini top. So if I'm like, I feel like sometimes, say if you go to Ibiza and you go to a beach club, you don't necessarily want to turn up straight away in just like a swimsuit or just a bikini. So I always like having little cover-ups to go on top of stuff, just so I don't feel too like exposed when I step out of the hotel, if you know what I'm trying to say. So I just picked this up to go over like a white or like maybe a neon like bikini top, because I feel like that would look really cool. Fits really well as well, and obviously you could just wear this as a normal top. Like in the try on clip, I just paired it with a white bandeau underneath, and then also the jeans that I picked up, which these jeans, first of all, I just want to say the colour I'm obsessed with. Like I just love the kind of like light wash denim vibe at the minute, as I was saying with the shorts. These are actually wide leg jeans, which I've never owned a pair of wide leg jeans in my life, but there's just something about them that I just think is really like summery and really like casual, but also quite cool, and I just feel like they look really nice with chunky trainers. Or like heels as well, like they're the sort of jean that look really nice with heels. And I don't know if it's because they're wide leg, but they're just so much comfier on than like a normal pair of jeans, because they just kind of feel like wide leg trousers, I guess, and they don't feel like really tight or really like restricting as denim sometimes can. Obviously they've got the little cutouts on the knees as well, which I think are super cute. So yeah, kind of something a little bit different. Honestly, I feel like I tried to pick up stuff that was maybe a little bit different to what I would usually wear in this haul and just kind of mix it up a little bit. So I kind of, you know, I hope you like the outfits that I put together. As I said, be sure to use my code Hannah25 on the Missguided website for money off, and a big thank you to Missguided for sponsoring this video. I'm probably going to be posting some photos in these pieces when I do go away, so if you want to follow me on Instagram, it's just at @HannXRenee. But yeah, I think that's everything. Let me know in the comments down below if you're going on holiday anytime soon, because I would love to know. But I'm going to get going anyway, so thank you for watching. As always, I love you guys to the moon and back, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. That was such a quiet